In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Today function in Excel. This is one of the simplest yet most useful functions for keeping your spreadsheets current without any manual updates. It pulls the current date from your computer's system clock and refreshes automatically, which makes it perfect for dashboards, logs, schedules, and reports that always need to show today. First, open your worksheet and pick the spot where you want the date to appear. Click any empty cell you'd like to use. Choosing a clear location helps keep your sheet readable, especially if you plan to reference this date elsewhere. Next, type the formula exactly like this: equals today, then open and close parentheses. In other words, type x today right into the cell. The function doesn't take any arguments, so those empty parentheses are all you need. This tells Excel, return the current date based on my system settings. Now press Enter. You should immediately see today's date appear. The way it looks depends on your workbook's date format. If you see a number instead of a date, don't worry, that just means the cell is showing the underlying date serial number. Make sure the cell is formatted as a date, so it displays in a familiar style like month, day, year. Behind the scenes, Excel stores dates as numbers so it can perform calculations, which is why formatting matters. A few tips to help you use today effectively. The value updates automatically each day or whenever the workbook recalculates, so you don't have to touch the formula again. If it doesn't seem to refresh, your calculation settings might be set to manual. Switching back to automatic will allow today to update as expected. Also, today shows the date only. If you ever need the current date and time, there's a different function for that. But today keeps things simple and clean for date-only needs. Because today is dynamic, it's great for comparisons and timelines. For example, formulas that check whether a due date is before or after today can instantly flag items that are overdue. You can also do straightforward math with it, adding days to see a future date or subtracting to look back, since it's a true date value. That's all there is to it. Click a cell, type E today, and press Enter. You now have a self-updating date in your spreadsheet, ready to support your tracking, planning, and reporting. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.